Hey, it's Kevin again. Upgrading some other modules for another flashlight company. So we're going to talk, this is what they originally are. You can see we have that cheap silicone glue there that holds it in place. Take the ring off there. And so this is that cheap aluminum board. Talking about that, let's see if I can get it in here close enough. So it's aluminum, but if you look at it when you sand it down, let's see. So you have top layer, then you have a little thin piece sections of copper there, and then you have another layer of glue or fiber, and then you have the aluminum going to some cheap silicone glue to this copper pill here. So what we have here is a copper direct thermal pathway PCB with Arctic Silver up under it. Arctic Silver is a much better, you can see the gray there. Arctic Silver is a much better conductor of heat than the silicone glue. And even the other Arctic Silver glue, the Arctic Alumina adhesive is much better than that glue. But since these have a retaining cap that goes on there like this just screws out. That's what holds the LED down. So I can use the actual Arctic Silver, which has some of the best conduction properties out there for heat. So we're going to look here. This is an IR LED, and it is on a different type of pad than the copper one. These black IRs do not have their center contact point on the bottom of the LED is not a neutral point like on most other LEDs. It actually conducts through there, so you can't use the copper with it because it will short out against the pill, against the brass pill. So you have to use a different. This is still a high quality all aluminum board by Bergquist that still conducts heat away from the LED very efficiently. Much better than that crap there. That just goes right back on there, and you have that centering ring that goes around the LED. Two little screws here, or holes there. Screw it down. That little plastic ring, one keeps this metal piece here off of the positive and the negative, because if it was on the positive and the negative, then it would end up shorting out the LED. So the plastic ring keeps this elevated, the centering ring, and then the retaining ring puts pressure down, and so that Arctic Silver is thin enough when you apply the pressure, it'll squeeze out from under the edges of it, causing a really thin layer, which is going to conduct the best amount of heat away from the LED. It's all about efficiency. Thank y'all.